Hey, good morning. Today we're out here at this big nice house doing all these gutters. So come on along. Got about 800 feet to get started on. Let's get it done. Welcome back. We opted to start in the back here. This is their parking area. We're going to do all the upstairs first. So I wanted to get the ladder set up. Since we won't be up on the roof, I'm putting the ladder up towards the top rung. We're not going to get on the roof, so that's easier to control the ladder. This is a really long ladder than to have it extended out 3 feet and trying to move the ladder around with that extra weight on top. So we'll get set up. We'll do all the second stories first, and then we'll start on the bottom stories. It's always a good idea just to step back and make sure that your stabilizer is up on the roof properly before you climb the ladder every time. And just like that, all the leaves and sticks and the mud is gone and the downspout's clean. It's looking good. Yeah, sometimes you just got to get up on the roof and look for tricky little areas like that. That's all tucked away back there. And all this water is coming from this patio all the way down this gutter, and then it all gets hung up here in the corner before it gets to the downspout. Downspout looks good though. A little bit in there. I'll flush that out. Well, it's flowing good now. One thing nice about this, his gutters rather, one thing nice about his gutters is all the anchors there are all in good shape. None of the caulking is cracked. So there's no holes or anything, so he doesn't have to do any repairs, at least so far. Clean this little piece of edge right here all the way up. I'll get that taken care of so that all those leaves that I just dug out of here and that are up there don't go back down into that spot that I just did. Yep, nice and full of junk. Well, we'll get it cleaned out. Oh, what fun getting around the curved pieces. I'll have to move the ladder every couple feet to do that section, so because you're not going to be able to get it with the end of that pole. Well, we're about a third of the way done on this upper end. Woohoo! Okay, got that clean over there. Don't know if you can see it. We're working our way around. Well, we're cooking right along. Like I said, so easy a 60-year-old can do it. But hey, whatever age you are, disclaimer, don't get up here. Don't try this at home. It's dangerous stuff. And especially if you're elderly, don't get up here. Yeah, it's getting deep in here. The other side of this thing and get that cleaned out. Scrape that out a little bit. And now it's not deep. Yay. Okay. Yeah, it's coming along quite nicely. All the way down towards the end here. Almost done with the back. I just wanted to point out all those drips on his window frame and the siding right there. That's not from me, that's before we even get started, but we're going way up there and we're having fun now. Yeah, we're at about the highest part that the ladder can reach. Oh yeah, no leaning over on this part of the roof. We're up here. Well, that was all kinds of fun. Getting this whole length at the very top here. Yeah man, don't try this at home. Couldn't quite reach that little bit in the corner. Well, we're going to try to reach that far corner over there. I don't know if we'll be able to get it or not with this pole. I don't like the way the ladder's up on that thing. We're going to ease up it and be real careful. Do absolutely no leaning. It's really anchored good by that heat spout coming up, and that one arm has got the corner, and we'll see how if it twists or not, if I got to come back down. There's that corner we're going to try to reach. At least it's warm up here next to that heater spout. This is one of these situations where I think I'm going to be about a foot or so short. I'm going to reach as far as I can, but I'm not stretching on this ladder, and I'm just not going to take the chance of killing myself, but we'll see how much we can get. Unbelievable. I was able to reach it and just get it. Cool beans. A little bit of leaves up in that valley like no way can reach, but we're not cleaning valleys, we're cleaning gutters. I got it all. Cool beans. Alrighty. We're getting it on the run now. Yep. Pretty wet and soggy over there. Now that I'm going to get up on the roof on a couple parts, I had to move the stabilizer down, so that I'll be about 3 rungs above the eaves when I get onto the roof. That part came out okay, and we'll just do this part now. Okay, got that whole section done, all the way down. Just got that little last piece on that end down there to go. This whole side of the house in the back is done. Then I just got to do the front and the other side. Alrighty, down here, and that's all done. So this side of the house is done. Alrighty, just a little bit of dirt down there left in the bottom. I got to rinse it out with the hose. That's done. Yep, they're just slam full. And now they're not full. Get all that out, and we'll get on to the next section. They're around the corner and down the back stretch they go. Alrighty, we're looking good now. Yeah, buddy. Man, I didn't say there's gonna be a stupid hurricane going on today. Little beanie hat. Hold up here. Bucket's going crazy. Go, Bucket, go. Man, there's something else up here. Down around the corner, taking out the lead. Okay, down to the last corner here. And this front lower level is done. Man, I gotta stop every once in a while because this wind just keeps blowing the ladder over if I don't hang on to it. Don't want that. Alrighty. All the way down onto the home stretch, I think. Well, that was a long journey around the front of that house. Boy, the wind is just blowing everything over, knocking down the plants, knocking down their plant hangers, knocking the limbs off of the trees. Holy cow. It's getting bad out here. I'll probably pick all those up for them before I leave just to make it look nice. Well, the rubberized waterproof gloves are great on these gutters. Protect your hands from all the screws and the little sheet metal gutter material, but every time you poke a little dinky hole in there, like that one on that finger right there, they're all over these now. They don't stay waterproof for long. Now they're just stopping wet and cold. But it's still better than getting your hands cut up. So wear your gloves, boys and girls. Alright, we're getting it all done now. Guess it's time to do that Star Trek impression. Star Trek impression. Oh my! Sticks and leaves may clog my eaves, but something, I don't know, it won't rhyme. Oh yeah. Who's your mama? Well, anybody can say who's your daddy. Let's go get that part over there next. Yeah, the worst part about this is I gotta hang on the ladder every second or it'll blow over. I forgot that one little limb up there. This last little corner here. I think I can reach over and get that limb real quick. Yeah, it's done now. Kind of hard to clean out these little corners left-handed. Okay. Down there, cleaned out under that downspout coming from that upper real good, and cleaned the uppers yesterday, cleaned this yesterday. I think we're done. I'm gonna go down and check one last thing. And there you go. Alright. More corners. Now that's the last of that run. Man, they are the gutters that never end. They just go on and on, my friend. Okay guys, it's really getting kind of, what do you call it, windy as can be up here, and every time I let go of the ladder it wants to blow me off, so I'm going to stop filming so that I can pay attention and hold on with both hands. Well, we just finished up. The wind's even picking up more. I'm supposed to go do this other house, but I don't know, man. It was getting kind of shaky up there on that ladder. Normally at this time I would take the owner for a walk around, but I don't think he's going to be interested in getting out in this cold, you know, wind right now. So we'll check in later. Hey everybody, thank you so much for watching my videos. I really hope you enjoyed them. If you have a comment or a question, leave it in the comments section below. I'll be glad to answer it as soon as I can, or maybe one of my subs will. But remember, please hit that subscribe button that's going to pop up, and YouTube is going to put more videos for you to watch over here. So enjoy yourself, grab the popcorn, and just remember, we really appreciate you being part of our family and subscribing to our channel. All the support you give us has been wonderful. So have a great day, and we'll see you on the next video.